What's going on, guys? It's Dave and sleeping Abby. Oh, she's awake now. And this is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. Well, guys, Abby's on her first real road trip, and it's funny because this morning I'm packing up stuff, right? And like getting it all in the van, organized. I had extra blankets to go in and everything else because, you know, what time of year it is, right? Anyway, she's looking all funny. When I took her food dishes and emptied them out and her water dish, put it away kind of thing in the van, I think she almost got spooked to a point where she thinks I'm taking her somewhere. And she's just been laying here sleeping. Like she's, I don't know if she's a little depressed or what, but she'll get over it. I'll take her out and get her running around. I'll give you a couple of video updates. Now, my buddy Steve is, he's behind me in my F-150, and he's pulling his trailer. He's going out to where I'm going because he wants to look around. So it's kind of a convoy sort of thing. But anyway, I'll show you some pictures as we're going along. Abby do. There's Steve and his two doggos.
Dog's offering another pee.
Yeah. There's not many people tonight out and about, but yeah. So there's the good old ghetto van over there. And there's Steve's rig. Well, guys, Abby, I think she's little. She doesn't quite know what to do, but we're okay. We'll figure it out. She's a big girl, so she might take up a little bit of space in here. There's only so much room, but I'm sure we can share the futon. She doesn't seem to be interested to sleep on her blanket down on the floor. I think I'm gonna have to start looking for a bigger van. Well, guys, that's about it. You guys take care. Be safe on the road. I know you're a good girl.